Side, side.
Side to side.
Mami,
Ano
touch
kayo
it
eh?
again, mami.
Ayaw niya sa akin.
Kasi you have
Lapit
only
ka.
one eye lang daw.
Sabi niya Karen to eh.
Nakatago siya.
Karen kasi eh. Sabi.
Ano pare?
Yung ano, palaaway naman.
Yeah, tapos Darren, daddy is a guy that wants to fight always.
Taas mami ah. Taas, taas. Yan.
Sayaw ah.
She likes it.
Ang ganda, ha? Ang ganda ng kabayo na to. This one is not skinny. This one is a little more racing. More racing.
It's a pony.
Ayun sa'yo, Tema. Mamaya.
It's gonna fall.
Wala yun na. Labas na.
She's so healthy.
Ay! Lumabas yung ulo. Ayun. Hindi mo makawakan ng kabila. Ang pangalan niya Aladdin.
Wow.
Ang laki ulo.
Go Ken. Ah.
We should bring carrots kasi dapat.
But that's for rabbit.
Dami naman.
Wait mo lang, wait mo muna. Kumakain na.
Ganito. Gusto mo? Huwag ka
No, yeah.
Oh, it's so short.
Go.
It's so short.
Go.
No, I don't.
Dalihan mo, wag mong iatras, magagalit yan. Ibigay mo agad.
Uy, may horse ayun ah.
Ay, ayan, ayan, ayan.
Okay, talaga.
Ay, meron sila isa pa, oh.
Louis, they're horse walking.
Huwag kayong huminga sa ilong, huminga kayo sa bibig.
Para sa salt ano nila.
Kabidyo pa ako.
Ang laki nito, grabe.
So, ano pong masasabi mo dyan, Mr. Campbell?
Ang masaya, kaya. Kuya Kim. Ito yung kabayo na lang ka. Alis ka na nga.
Tita Julie, you know, horses have manicure.
Manicure?
Side ka konti, picture ka sa kanya. Look at here.
Huminga kayo sa bra.
Hello. Sabi niya. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Hi, Carrot. Hi.
Hello, 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 hello.
Marhaba.
Hello, hello.
How are you? You just say hello.
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 I'll just do the hair.
Uy, wag dyan. Dito na lang. Nakalabas ang ulo dyan.
I don't want to.
Lasin mo.
Pwede ba yan?
There's bugs.
Come here, Ken.
Hi.
Why they're kicking, brother?
Kamo niya pa kayo.
Huwag ilalagay sa ilong.
Ah, turtle.
Hindi siya nagtutugos, may tap-tap.
May nag-growl. Sino yun?
Sino yun?
Scary.
Ba't gano'n kasi yung mata nila? Parang malungkot sila.
Nakakulong sila eh.
Ano? Wala bang kabayo?
This is the one we're gonna ride on Tita. Hello.
Nalungkot sila.
Yung other food naman, kasi ito na yung kinakain nila palagi.
Carrot.
Should be carrots or something.
Di ba carrot is for lagi?
No, it's allowed also.
Ah. Kabayo ba yun?
Ayun o, may mga kambing doon.
Ano ba yan? Tinapon mo. How are you?
Sabi niya hello, sabi niya hello.
Who are you? Who are you, parrot? What's your name? What's your name? Gusto mo?
Hindi na Tagalog.
Ay, tama. Hindi pala Tagalog.
Oh, hello. Sabi niya. Hindi na Tagalog ni Luis. Gusto mo? Pwede ba yan sa kanya? Parang kala mo, ikaw na naman kumakain ng dami ng pakain.
Pistachio.
Busog na oh, ayaw na lumapit.
Side eye.
Ang dami. Ang dami.
Ito yan naman. What? Side ka lang.
Bye! Bye-bye.
Pakainin mo siya, oh.
Daddy, you know kanina he said hello to me. Sabi niya hello.
There daw.
Hello!
Mm.
Oh!
Yan, ta.
Kain mo so pag pinakain mo.
Hello? Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Say hello again.
Pakainin mo muna saka siya mag-hello. Dali. Pakainin mo na.
Baliw, ba't hinahagis mo? Marunong ba?
Dali, abot mo. I'm
Ganun mo lang yung
I got it.
Ang galing
Ay,
niya magbalat.
binabalatan niya.
Oo nga,
Binabalatan
magaling
niya.
magbalat niya. Pabalat mo, tapos kainin mo.
Hello!
Nainis na yung
Hello!
Puro kayo hello, wala na bang ibang salita?
Bye!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Very good.
One more. Don't do that again.
Hey!
Kasi pinakain mo eh.
Ganun pala.
Ito kaya?
Hello.
Pinapakain kasi.
What you will?
Camellia. White. Pet her.
Masyado malapit lang. Mga paano yung pawin.
Why is he down?
Sabi, ikaw naman. Hindi mo siya pinapet. Kanina.
Ano ba yan?
Pet mo yung sa kabila mo.
Ito.
Ayun o.
Ayaw niya. She doesn't.
Get ka lang po kay Tita Sherwin ulit. Ayaw na niya.
May nakaipit sa bibig nila. May nakaipit sa bibig nila.
Parang
Daddy, I
makontrol.
want the longer one.
Yun yan.
Video, video.
Kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa. Kaliwa. Kanan, kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa. Kaliwa. Kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa. Kaliwa. Julius, kuya.
Don't go behind me. On front lang.
My jeans.
R.I.P. my shoes.
My sambas.
Don't go behind now.
Go right, go right.
Bring that to wear na.
Go right, go right.
The mommy, my sambas.
Clean na lang.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, one by one. Ken first, come here.
What? Me?
Ako muna.
I want the brown.
Come, bro.
R.I.P. my
What's your name?
Sherwin bro.
What's your name?
Sherwin.
Sherwin. Come.
Sorry bro.
Come here, come here.
Side.
Brother, you can take us video later.
After video. Yeah.
Okay.
Then.
What's your name, brother?
My name is Captain Jack.
Huh?
Jack.
Captain Jack.
That's, how should I call you? Captain Jack?
Hook.
Captain Hook.
La la la. Come. Relax. Relax.
Manit.
Bebe,
Good luck sa horse ni
This
Tito
one big
King.
girl?
big one.
Mahulog yung horse dito.
Okay, so.
Why did
It's okay. Conquer your fears.
My heart.
Tugtug. Tugtug. Oh, the Oh, daddy.
Good boy, good boy.
What's your name?
Sherwin.
Sherwin. Come.
Sorry bro.
Come here.
Side.
Brother, you can take us video later.
After video. Yeah.
Okay. What's your name, brother?
My name is Captain Jack.
Captain Jack.
Captain Jack.
That's, how should I call you? Captain Jack?
Hook.
Captain Hook.
La la la. Come. Relax. Relax.
Bebe, ikaw daw.
Good luck sa horse ni
This
Tito
one big
King.
girl?
Big one.
Why did
It's okay. Conquer your fears.
My heart.
Tugtug. Tugtug. Oh, wala ba? Oh, daddy.
Good boy.
Oo naman yung...
Ay, kawawa. Ah!
Don't be crying, please. Don't be
Ah,
crying.
sorry,
Never
sorry.
cry. Because it's scared, then after you fall down.
Oh.
Never cry.
Just chill.
Chill, ha? Chill. Calm. Be calm.
Nonchalant.
Wow.
Calm down.
Sabi mo niya yung brown sa'yo, can you give her this red one?
Oh, go, Julia.
Siguro dede ako.
Go, Julia.
Go to uncle.
Sorry.
Please.
Don't cry.
After you fall down, I don't drink. Wala.
It's
Wala,
okay.
I don't trust. Wala, there's an animal.
Don't shout down.
Close your mouth, ha?
Just calm down.
Careful on niya.
Close your mouth.
No sounds. You can shout, but no sounds.
I want brown.
Give me a small one. Give me a small one. I want brown.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay now.
Ay, puta ka. Whimper. Julia, wag ka mag-whimper. Kaya nga, itong isa, oh, ano na, oh. Oh, natanggal na.
So glad I...
Don't go behind. Why you go behind? Ang kulit ni
Tepi, ang kulit mo. Ah, picture na baliw.
April.
Uy, April.
Ay, puti sa akin.
Bebe, white sa'yo.
Mm-mm.
Yung cellphone mo, bigyan mo ikaw, Sherwin, kasi doon ka eh. Huwag ka dadaan sa likod.
Teka lang, binibidyohan ko siya.
Maganahin mo, ina.
Calm down.
Sabi mo niya yung brown sa'yo, can you give her this good?
Daddy.
Sigo dede ako.
Go, Ken, Ken.
Yung horse ko, Julia, girl or boy? Girl, sa'yo. Girl din ata. Stay, Mika, stay.
Tito, what's your horse name?
Mika.
Bakit Mika?
Go, girl. Say hi, Ken Ken.
Hi.
Say hi, Julia.
Why is it moving?
It's okay, it's okay. Huwag ka huwag ka matataranta. Number 1, yalla!
Up and down, up and down, up and down. Don't do sit back. Are you back hurt? You sit back, your back hurt. Keep in, touch and up, touch and come on, number 2, kick your horse. Stick, boy, stick. Very good, April. Good job. Yeah, do it. Come on, trot. Kick your horse, boy. Yes, do it up and down. Up and down. Come on, do it. Up. Yeah, up and down. No worry. Come on. Come on, trot. Kick. Come on. Up and down. Yes, very good, April. Mashallah, April. Up, down. Number 3, up, down. Don't be crying. Keep your back straight. Up, down. Come on, boy. Look straight. Pull back. Pull. Yeah. Very good. What's your name?
Eugene.
How's your riding?
Good.
Did you enjoy?
Yep.
Very good. Number 2, what's your name? Ken. How's your riding?
Good.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Very good. April.
Julie.
Julie.
Good.
Good. Hey girls, come. You know up and down? Yes, you learn a lot. More file. Come on. Little bit feel pain? Little bit tired?
Yeah, it was my weight.
Yeah. Always are you coming? Lose the weight. Mashallah, champion. Good girls. How's girls?
That was good.
That's good. Okay.
Right side, huh? This is Mika. This is Mika, my horse.
Kalau. All right side, all right.
How is it? Si girl. Saan si girl?
Ayan o.
How are you, girl?
How's your pet?
Put mo siya. Put last. Say bye-bye to your horse na.
Oh, girls just wanna have fun.
Ay, my gosh. Oh.
Same mo. Easy one, huh? Let's see.
Wala, may ano eh.
Oh, hit the white ball.
The white.
Paano?
Like this or like this?
I had mine before. It's much bigger.
Like this or...
Wala din.